Hello, strength interval training students. This is Mr. Nolan, and I'm just checking in for week number 2 in strength interval training, and I wanted to go over a couple things to make sure we're all on the same page about what the expectations are. For those of you that are working at home or you're not at school on any given day, just a reminder to go into Teams before you go into Zoom. The online attendance channel, you'll notice I have the date and at-home attendance, and all you have to do is click reply, and you will type here and enter, and it will put which time you logged in, and you need to make sure you do this during our class time each day. If you're in person, you do not need to do the online attendance check-in. Then the link to Zoom is right here, so if you're having trouble getting into class, you can find the link right here. And the weekly information is weekly platform information, and this is week 2 information. You can click on this, it brings it up. So this week we have last name A through K showing up on Monday for grades 9 and 11. Tuesday we have last name A through K, grades 10 and 12. On Wednesday we have everybody at home asynchronous. Remember to check and complete the Teams Microsoft Forms check-in assignment each Wednesday by 3 p.m. for your attendance on Wednesdays. On Thursday this week, we have last name L through Z, grades 9 and 11. And then Friday, last names L through Z, grades 10 and 12. We're going to stick with the Fitness Anywhere workout for this next week. We are now on to block 2. And I'm going to show you that in platform here in just a moment. So we're going to do workout 4 on Monday, workout 5 on Tuesday, workout 6 on Thursday, and then this week's fitness challenge, you're going to do a 1-minute air squat as many times as you can. A reminder that each week you have a physical activity log to complete, and these are due every Sunday by 11:59 p.m. And so this is last week's work, week 1, March 8th through the 12th physical activity log. So I want to show you an example of a completed log and what is expected for these fitness logs. Here's an example of a completed fitness log. So we have the days of the week over here in this column, Monday, Tuesday, etc. And what you're going to do is in this box, you're going to identify what physical activity that you do each day. And I've given you 3 boxes, and that's just in case you happen to do up to 3, or you could even do more. Just make a line through the box and add more information. But put everything you do that is moderate to vigorous physical activity for the day, put what it is, and then how many minutes, and then at the end of the day, total how many total minutes of physical activity you got for that day. Also, you're going to, those of you that are keeping track of steps, put your step total in this column. So each day, identify total minutes of physical activity, and then at the end of the week, you're going to total this column and put that number right here. Again, our goal is to try to get 60 minutes average a day. So this, we're looking for over 300 minutes. And then put your daily step total here again if you're trying to keep track of that. If you don't get your 300 minutes between Monday and Friday, you can use Saturday and Sunday as extra time to try to get 300 minutes. So I'm giving you 7 days to try to get 300 minutes. So 5 days of 60 minutes in here. Some people have asked, what if I get 300 minutes on the first 2 days? Well, that's great, but ultimately, for a healthy lifestyle, we want to be able to get 60 minutes of physical activity every day. So please try to, every day, Monday through Friday, get out and get 60 minutes of physical activity in. And see how many minutes you can get. Push the limits. Set some goals of how many total minutes you can get each week. The second piece of this is you need to answer the weekly check-in chat question on the bottom. So there is a question, and then you need to answer this with 2 to 3 sentences in order to get full credit. If you only do the top portion, you're going to get a 3.5 if you get 300 physical activity minutes. If you do the top portion, get 300 minutes, and you answer the question with 2 to 3 sentences, you can earn a 4 which is the highest grade for this assignment. Then when you're finished, save it to your computer and turn it into Teams to be graded. Next, I'd like to talk about Platform. I've noticed that some of you have not signed in to Platform yet, so let me show you where you need to go to get your account set up. In Teams, I have a link right here. If you go to the weekly platform information, for those of you that have not set up your account yet, go to how to get started in Platform, and this will have a walkthrough of getting your account set up in the class. The join code is lowercase red Raiders, and you will select which period you're in, either period 5, P5S2, or period 6, P6S2. It's very important that every person is getting set up in here because you are required to do the fitness challenge fitness tests as part of your grade in this class. The score that you get doesn't affect your grade, but the fact that you do the activity does affect your grade. Now that you're into your account, you've gone to platform.com. You can either use the app or you can use your desktop. You're going to go over here on the left side. You're going to click on Workout. And we are using the Fitness Anywhere program for the first couple weeks. And also, if you want, you can go into this nutrition. There's a lot of great information in there that you're welcome to look at. And we're going to go into Fitness Anywhere. And you'll see that last week I completed all my workouts. They show that by seeing it crossed out, and it tells me I did 8 of 8 workouts, 10 of 10, etc. So you should have this completed for last week. If you haven't, go back and complete this work. We're going to work our way right down this list. So week 2, we're going to start at workout number 4. So we're going to click on it, and when you're ready to go, you're going to start workout. You're going to watch the video, click done. Watch the video, do the workout, and then click done, and you just work your way all the way down, watching, doing, done, and then you have a finisher at the end, and we always log our results. So you time yourself on the finisher activity of how long it takes you to do that. You will log it, click done, watch the final video, click done, and it will tell you how long it took you to complete that workout. Again, these workouts should take you close to 30 minutes to complete. Okay, that is it for this week. Please reach out through school email if I don't see you in person. If you have any questions, get your fitness activity logs turned in, and have an awesome week. Thank you.